house will always be home. We will find somewhere else just as nice with the money Father left us. What money?
My condolences.
It was my father's dying wish that I should assist those girls.
Why must dying people always wish for something extravagant? You hate her too. Admit it. He's not handsome, is he? You go.
Forgive me, Edward Ferrars.
Elinor Dashwood. I like him. I greatly esteem him.
Greatly esteem him. Eleanor, use those words again. I shall leave the room.
This is Mrs. Jennings.
I am the mother of your mother's cousin's wife. I heard about your plight and I said, I have got to help those girls. I'll have you all three married before you know it.
The man who loves me must burn with it, with all his passions without the slightest restraint or hesitation.
A handsome gentleman saved Marianne's life.
Not her life, good madam. Merely an ankle.
To whom are we so obliged?
Mr. Willoughby, ma'am.
Marianne and Willoughby.
I was wondering, Miss Dashwood, whether I might ask you.
Yes.
It is bewitching, the idea of one's happiness depending entirely on another person. It is not always possible.
Your sister seems happy.
Yes.
Such spirit is all too rare.
Have you never told him how you feel? For what?
For love.
Come with me.
I think a man ought to be at least artificially passionate, or he'd be sincerely dull. I require so much.